The Culinary Arts program at MCC is a 2-year AAS program where the students receive a degree in culinary arts with an emphasis in technology. We teach everything from basic knife skills and cuisines from around the world to baking and pastry arts, as well as safety and sanitation and the financial and management side of the hospitality industry.
The reason I decided to join the culinary program, I've had a background of culinary for a while, since I was about 7 or 8. And some of the graduates from the culinary program I was working with at Harvest Grill, and they pushed me towards enrolling in the culinary program to further my education and get more of a grounded base for the culinary industry.
Food and beverage is integrated so much into tourism, and we need great places for people to eat. In order for great places to be around for people to wine and dine, you have to have an educated pool of employees to pull from, and that is really our goal. Whereas the crop of student that we're putting out into the workforce is educated, but they're also skill ready.
There's not really many other colleges that'll offer this close. Being able to have this culinary program in the city is really, it's good for the community, because it's a gem to have.
Culinary is not easy, but it is a very rewarding passion, and it's a very artistic passion.